Editing a macro. When you have a macro that you have recorded that you would like to make changes to, there are several options that you have for editing. On the Developer ribbon, click the Macros button to view the macros that you have saved. If you want to change the shortcut key for a particular macro, select the one that you want to change, come over to the Options button, and change the shortcut to a different key. If you want to do more advanced editing, you can click the Edit button, which will open the Visual Basic application window. This gives the Visual Basic code that goes into the particular macro that you have recorded. We can see our sum macro right here, which contains the formula for summing a particular range of cells. Edits in the application window should only be made by those that understand the Visual Basic script. From the macro window, we can also choose to run a particular macro if we want to do it manually instead of through the quick key shortcut.